Welcome to Kiddie Book Nook, where reading children's stories out loud is our favorite thing to do. Cats Don't Like That. Written by Andy Wortlock and illustrated by Nahum Ziersch. If you choose to get a family pet, and cats are top of mind, there are some things you need to know. We are a finicky kind. For instance, if you think it's time to have a game of play, cats don't like that. We make the calls. We'll simply walk away. We wash ourselves. We don't need baths with soap that smells like flowers. Cats don't like that. And one more thing, we clearly won't take showers. If you're the one who thinks it's time for cuddles on your lap, cats don't like that. We'll let you know, most likely with a slap. In summer when it's scorching hot, a water slide seems cool. Cats don't like that. No way, no sir, we'll not get in that pool. The whizzy, dizzy spinning thing that twirls you round and round. Cats don't like that. We do not spin, we just like stable ground. Don't take a cat to outer space. To you, a rocket's fun. Cats don't like that. You'd have a blast, but hear me, we'd have none. A roller coaster, are you nuts? You haven't thought this through. Cats don't like that. We'll use our claws to hold on tight to you. Visiting another cat, you might think is worth trying. Cats don't like that. Especially when the other cat's a lion. What do cats like? I hear you ask. We keep the list quite small. No water slides, no rocket ships, no twirly whirls at all. A peaceful place to cuddle up, now that we love, it's true. But only when we pick the time, and the cuddle is with you. The end. Thank you for reading this children's story with us today. If you would like to purchase this book, you will find the link in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified of any new releases.